RCA. See if there's a model number on there. HDTV antenna model ANT1560Z. This is the little power supply for it. 12 volts, 50 milliamps. This is the splitter that splits the RF from the power, sends the power up the coax. There's not any. There's the model number here, I guess. Date code. I don't see a model number. Anyway, I tried this open, maybe destructively. There's little clips, and this one's a little bit more interesting than the other one. It has a circuit board. Has this circuit board. Here's the coax comes up. There's some inductors, capacitor, or those coils. And then down here it looks like some other electronic device. Maybe the amplifier. One coax coming up, it's grounded on this shield here. And then we have these traces. There's resistors between them. I think those are resistors. And then the other side of it, there's this pattern. So interesting antenna design here. I haven't tried it, but it's a lot more unique than some of the other antennas I've ever seen. So I'll have to give it a try and see how it looks, how it works. I mean, I have one other small one somewhere. This one here I haven't opened. I thought these were just passive, but maybe they're not. This one's smaller, you can see. And I might have to destroy this one to open it up, although I could tape it back. We'll see. Kind of interesting to see how they design these antennas. I looked up the antenna online on the RCA site. Antenna 1560Z. The features say HDTV, of course, for free, but it says patented 360 degree, they got a question mark, degree, multi-directional design. So this antenna is supposed to be able to receive in all directions, and that must be why it has that unique design inside. So that's interesting. Okay, here's the final small flat antenna. I pried it open. This one was glued, it didn't have clips. The other one sort of clipped back together. Anyway, here's the circuit board in this one. This one is pretty much passive, I guess, but I don't understand this. pretty interesting. I don't have a clue what this antenna design is, how it works. Maybe somebody can tell me. Why do they have all these jumpers in here? What would these do? They're not any component, they're just jumper wires, and they're all in the same plane here. It's all one big copper pad on the back of it. Well, that goes to the ground. I don't know. Well, there is something here. Looks like a little inductor. Something for matching transformer. And it might be a capacitor. So I don't know if these were supposed to be powered or not, because I got these at the dump and there was only one power supply for one of them. So I was thinking this one's passive, but who knows? I guess I could look it up online, but there's not even model numbers on these take codes. That's about it. So some interesting antenna design for sure. I opened it up because I like to see what's inside of them. There we go. Here's what's inside of it. Got a loop made out of aluminum, pretty thin aluminum, like if you sliced open a pop can. And here's the, I guess this would be a reflector. It's not attached to the circuit board. Let's take this out. See, it's pretty thin. But of course RF doesn't care how thin the metal is. And this would be the, I'd have to unscrew to get in there. I'm assuming there's some electronics on the back of this. That would be the amplifier. I'll have to unscrew that and see. Okay, not much there. This was the part we were looking at. Here's the back. We got the ground going to here. And there's this little blob. So that might be any electronics in there might be this. Maybe there's a little chip in there. Not much to it. Anyway. Ground. Made in Taiwan. One thing for it, it's built rugged. I mean, this thing is solid. And this anchor is solid, so be nice to know if it performs well enough to justify the nice case they made for it. I'll have to plug it in and see what it does.